Hi everyone, it's Eli Sklar, loanDepot. Many people ask me, what is loanDepot? It sounds like Home Depot with loans. Go to a warehouse, and I answer, it's the largest retail mortgage bank in the country. And they say, wow, that's amazing. And then they say, but I never heard of it. And I'll tell them, hey, look online, look at all the reviews. You can see they're one of the biggest, largest, best mortgage bank in the country. And the way to explain it is look at the difference between a BlackBerry and an Apple iPhone. BlackBerries used to be the most impressive type of device. They were able to feature emails on a phone. And then all of a sudden Apple came in with this iPhone that just made it so much simpler, so much easier, so much more intuition. When you wanted to do something, it was just a click of a button as opposed to 6 different steps. But you can understand the difference between the banks and the mortgage banks, specifically loanDepot, and how they are different when you understand how BlackBerry is different than the iPhone. BlackBerry is just a clunky type of phone that takes 3 minutes to start and barely do a search on the web. That is the way it's loanDepot. loanDepot created such a beautiful, intuitive system, aesthetically beautiful and so easy to use. It makes no sense to use a BlackBerry, which is other retail banks, to be able to apply for mortgage. I myself worked in retail banks, and retail banks have a great functionality, but it's a thing of the past. Why live in the past? We live in the now. Use the iPhone or Samsung or smartphone device and be able to experience real life changes in the mortgage process. Real technology, real artificial intelligence that reads your credit report, get approved within 24 hours, surety to close. You can close in 7 days if everything is hit. So why would you work with somebody who could maybe close in 120 days when you could work with someone who's able to close in potentially 7 days? My recommendation is you shouldn't. And when you close quicker, you're going to make more money. You're not going to have to be bothered with not being able to close the transaction, because whenever time passes, it's more of a possibility where you're not going to close the deal. So close the deal right away and move on. And that's my recommendation to brokers, to buyers, to mortgage brokers who are just having a hard time with their deals. Send them to a mortgage bank, loanDepot. Send them to me, and we'll get it done. We close a tremendous amount of volume, because we have a great team. We now have multiple processors, processing manager, we have underwriters, appraisal team. Make the whole process as intuitive as possible and make it as easy to close for you and for your clients. And that is what I think loanDepot has a tremendous advantage over all the other lenders in the country, is that those other lenders are basically the BlackBerry, and you don't want to be working with a BlackBerry if you have the opportunity of working with an Apple iPhone. So I look forward to working with you and experience the iPhone, Samsung smartphone, the real experience, the smart experience today. See you soon.